Here are a few more facts you should know about open houses. They're not always easy to plan and manage. In fact, open houses can be difficult for the seller, expensive for the agent, and time-consuming for everyone. And most homes are not sold to people who come to the open house. In fact, less than 10% of homes are sold through open houses. Regardless of these facts, sellers expect agents to hold open houses. Sellers want to make sure their agent is doing everything in their power to sell the home. So even though agents know it won't most likely result in a sale, they will happily hold an open house to accommodate the seller. Also, good agents know how to use open houses to generate leads. Keep in mind that the seller wants to hold an open house to attract buyers, not to help you get new business. So they could take issue with you using the open house to your personal advantage. There are ways to address that issue, as we'll discuss later. So is holding an open house really worth it? In most cases, it is. Many of the leads agents get from open houses are higher quality leads than those they get from other sources. Open houses allow agents opportunities to meet people personally, and that leads to higher conversion rates.